Hey everybody, Jesse Castor from Better CNC here, doing my next video for my IMTS 2024 in my tiny shop. And today we're going to do a quick little preview of the lobby. I'm just going to point some things out, see what we've got, what it looks like up here. So this is the lobby for Better CNC. It generally stays in a slight bit of a mess, but I want to give y'all an authentic look of what it looks like over here day to day. We are a small business. It's primarily just me here, so I do what I can to keep clean. But when you walk into our lobby, on the left, you got our kind of sample shelf for our customers. We got this sign. My mom actually got me this sign. My brother-in-law made it. But Sic Parvis Magna means great things from small things. I think she saw it on something talking about Sir Francis Drake. Kind of thought about me and my shop and our journey to get here, starting with a tiny little machine out of my garage. Something cool over here I want to point out is this guitar right here is actually my first machining project. I built that when I was in 11th grade for a physics project. We were doing something with sound waves, had to make a stringed instrument. We got there. So stepping over here, we've got our desk, my main desk. I've got two curved monitors that I work with. I've got the 3D printer, all my filaments. I got a couple trays that I use to organize things. Over here's our shipping area. And someone had asked, what's one of the most useful things here? And it's a little thing, and it was a very happy day for me. But this is a Brother QL 1100 label printer. I've yet to work in a shop where I worked in the shipping department, and we actually had a dedicated label printer for our shipping labels. And as a shipping clerk, that is amazing. I love it so much. To me, it just makes that extra little professional touch to actually have labels and not cut out pieces of paper folded in half to tape the top of boxes, things like that. Then we have a shelf. This is where we put a lot of our trays. We put some of our incoming material, some of the finished parts before they go out the door. And I've got a couple blankets for when my dogs are up here at the shop. I can put something on the floor for them so they got something soft to lay on. And this is our lobby. Nothing too crazy, nothing too exciting. We got some 3D printed shelves on the wall over here. This is a part I designed for one of my customers. Ended up making it out of stainless once we verified fit and function with a 3D print. But this is the lobby for Better CNC. We've been in this space for about 2.5 years. And we're slowly filling it up bit by bit. Oh, I gotta point this out. So this wall I'm turning into kind of my roots to kind of show where I came from a little bit, where I got my experience. So between these two pictures right here, my grandma actually helped rebuild helicopter engines for the Black Hawk helicopters. When she retired, all her coworkers autographed this picture. And they actually did a flyover for her when she retired. And then I got a picture right here of my grandma actually working on one of the engines. And then my dad, who was really the reason I learned all this, is a mechanical engineer. He worked at Texas Instruments and actually designed and built that machine that there's a picture of him working on. So that's kind of two big people that played a role in how I got into this. So I got more family, I got more pictures I got to put up here. But this is what I got so far. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any questions or comments about what we got around here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.